In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called Lloo. Lloo is the ransomware that attacks Windows computers all over the world today. This particular ransomware is from the DJVU ransomware family. Before the ransomware actually attacks your computer, you can open the files without complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data can be opened easily without complications. However, because of certain leaks in the security of the specific computer, this Lloo ransomware may be easily injected into the system. This happens because of outdated anti-malware databases. And when people turn on their computers someday, then they suddenly realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their data anymore. This Lloo ransomware encrypts the files, and the files are no longer accessible. The files are no longer available. They all get damaged and encrypted. And when you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Lloo extension. No matter what files you try to open, you get this message. So the ransomware encrypts pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. Some people might think that removing this Lloo extension could fix the issue, but this does not decrypt the files. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file recovery. On the other hand, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files will be recovered. So, do not pay the ransom. If you pay the ransom, that's a serious mistake. You may lose your money without getting your files recovered. So, we recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to delete this ransomware. First thing you should do is go into the task manager. That's my personal recommendation. You'll find some suspicious processes that could be running in the background with the long and random name like this one. So right-click on it and terminate its task to stop the further file encryption. This can help you save some files at least from being damaged. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and delete all other threats that could be related to this ransomware or other types of threats. Go to combocleaner.com page, use this green download button, install the application and begin researching your computer. The program will be in the trial mode initially, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and the program should first of all update its anti-malware database. This is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database of Combo Cleaner antivirus gets successfully updated, the program will begin scanning and researching your system. It will find some threats right away, or some other threats may be detected later on. Combo Cleaner antivirus has got the excellent feature called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add several folders on your computer that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of some time you will see the full summary of the threats that were found during the scan. Combo Cleaner will show you the information about all the threats, about their locations on your Windows computer. Some threats can definitely be deleted manually based on this summary, but we strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium since this is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. And don't forget that there is a detailed article on how to remove this ransomware in the description for the video. Thanks for watching.